I wanted to share with you my one secret weapon for recording cycling videos in this video today. Two lots of videos there, but you know what I mean. Let's do it. So if you're new to the channel, you might not know, but if you're a regular viewer, you definitely know I've been doing a lot of e-bike reviews on this channel over the last 12 months, and I've had to devise different ways of filming them and trying to find out the best way really to film these videos. So if you're a cyclist and you like to record your videos, then this hopefully will help. If you're a YouTuber that records a lot of bike videos, this will help you as well. This is my one secret weapon, and it's the only camera really I take out with me now because I don't want to take out a lot of gear with me when I'm shooting these kind of videos. I want to go as light as possible so I can just get the shots and get done and be as efficient as I possibly can. That one camera is the Insta360 Go 2. It's unbelievable. That's not it, that's the mount. But this is the camera. It's so good, it's so small, it's so light, and the picture in it looks amazing. It's the only camera now I use for recording these bike videos. So like I said, if you're a cyclist and you want to record a bit of video, then this will definitely help. And this is a little rig that I've devised that works the best for me because it's strong, it's safe, the video quality obviously of the Insta360 Go 2 is there, and it's very simple and it's light to take around with you. You could slip this in your back pocket if you're a road cyclist, for instance. You could put it in the back of your jersey, no problems. So what we've got here is the Insta360. This obviously comes out of the case. This is remote control as well, so you can leave this in here like so, and then you can just control it from the case when you're riding, which is another top feature. So this is a small rig clamp on the bottom here. I will list everything you need in the description down below, by the way. Those will be affiliate links. And if you've been toying with the idea of getting an Insta360 camera, now might be the time to pull the trigger. In fact, while I think about it, there's a spring sale on until the 22nd of April 2022, and they're offering big discounts and some discounts on the Insta360 Go 2 in particular as well. And if you buy through that link, Insta360 give my subscribers a free accessory as well. So if you're thinking about it, now might be the time to go and grab one of these. There will be a link in the description down there. Anyway, clamp, small rig. I use a small rig one because I've used a cheaper one in the past, and the cheaper ones have sort of a rattly handle here. It rattles, it makes a noise. The small rig ones do like move a little bit when you're riding, but they're not that cheap metal material that make like a jingling noise. It's like a bell going off. This small rig one is quiet, and if you want the audio is important. That's a must. Also, it's very strong. Inside you've got the rubber pads here, so it doesn't scratch the bike. It actually clamps down, and that rubber bit there helps with the grip as well. The next bit you need is a 1/4 inch, 2/4 inch adapter. These are very common, very cheap. I'll link them down below on Amazon, and you just screw it into the 1/4 inch thread that's on the clamp, and then you've got another 1/4 inch on the top where you could put the mount. Now this is one of Insta360's mounts. It's for their invisible selfie stick, so you can do a bit of vlogging, but this works on here as well. It'll work on any 1/4 inch mount that you've got, any tripod, and we screw that onto there just like so. And then the camera goes in there. You can clamp this then to any part of your bike to get some really cool shots on your cycling videos. So we're here with the new gen. We've still got this. It's still in the garage, and we're going to do another video on it soon. This is an amazing electric bike, and this is how I record all of my videos. Basically, I've got the little setup I just showed you. The Insta360 Go 2 is snapped onto the magnet mount. That won't come out of there. It's really strong, the magnet. And then this sort of just clamps anywhere onto the frame. Anywhere you can clamp this clamp, it goes. On the front here, like so, for a picture of me riding. We can record details, so we can have it on the handlebar here by the grip. So I can record me using the brakes. That is one shot that I got when I was recording the video on this bike. Also down here on the down tube, we put it on here next to the battery, so I could get the gears working, so we could get a bit of footage of the wheels and stuff like that. And then the final shot that I did, as a bumblebee tries to attack me, and the final shot that I did get was I clamped it on to this bit here, just behind my leg, and then I got that shot there from through the forks of me riding. There's just wherever you can put this thing, you can record footage of. And when it comes to filming cycling videos in particular, this just comes in so handy, makes everything so easy. So that's it. It's simple, but it works, and the footage looks amazing. I've recently done a video, I'll link it up above, comparing this to the GoPro 10, and I prefer this. I really do. It looks amazing, and like I said, it's just light and compact, and you can take this little setup anywhere. You don't have to use it for cycling videos. This will work for any kind of video you want to record. You can just sort of clamp it anywhere, and that's my little setup. I have got Insta360's new monkey tail accessory coming soon, so like I said, if you're new to the channel, make sure you do subscribe, press the notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. So that might be a bit of competition for this little setup that I've sort of jimmy rigged, but we'll wait and see. That's how I film my bike videos. I've got some really good shots with it over the weeks and months, and I'm going to continue using it, to be honest. You could use other cameras from Insta360. We've got the 360 X2, which is brilliant. We've got the new Insta360 One RS, which is amazing. But for how light it is, how compact it is, how easy it is to transport around, I really do love this little setup that I've devised. But that's it for this video. I hope it helped. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to know any or more information about the Insta360 or any of the other Insta360 cameras. Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you on the next one. See you soon, guys. Bye.